Fire Up Showmaster draws for your lead, moving up by the rail. Kiss Me. Double O. Runner number 7 is in between the runners, followed by Green Lane Discovery Pick. How Did You Know? Matini Idol, then running on the outside, John Hills episode, and trailing the group in fairness as they race towards the last 600. Kiss Me. Moving up on the outside is the stablemate for A Showmaster. Double O, runner number 7, is moving up to take third and catching the second spot this time. Moving up on the outside, How Did You Know? Green Lane. John Hales episode is on the outside as they race at the final corner. Double O, 7 horse takes command. Running by the rail is Green Lane for A Showmaster is on the outside. And down the stretch they come. Double O, number 7, this time by about a length and a half. Showmaster is on the outside. Double O, Showmaster, Green Lane, and finally 007, horse with Jeff Sarate. Then comes for A Showmaster, Green Lane. How Did You Know? Janelle's episode for your Pentafecta.